Hey guys, me and Marshall are back at it today, and we're going to be replacing the fuel filters on the Ram. Yes, I have two filters, one that is located right in the middle of underneath the bed, and then one in the engine compartment. So we're going to take care of them, both of them. What you need: your filters first. Front, back, Mopar, and you don't have to buy them from Mopar unless you just feel like spending the extra money. But I bought them a long time ago, but I think they're like $60 for both of them. I think Mopar wants $100. I don't know. I don't quote me on that one. But anyways, I reset the service life on it probably 3 times, so they're probably pretty bad. But anyways, this is what you need. 8mm, and then 28mm extension, all that good stuff. And then also got a funnel because the drive shaft it's right above the drive shaft. So you get a bucket up there, it's impossible. So what I'll do is I'll get the bucket underneath. I have a four-wheel drive, so I've got plenty of room to do a 5-gallon bucket. And I'll feed this up to it, and hopefully don't make a mess all over my driveway. But if I do, I gotta clean it up. So let's go over there and check it out. All right. The 8mm go here, and we're going to loosen this bleeder out. You like that, huh? Ah! Should have been a rock and roll singer. Doody 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 doo. Doody doody. Yabba dabba dooey. What? Okay. All right. Now 28mm. This is gonna be a mess. I should have a bigger funnel, but I don't. There she goes. Dee doo dee doo dee doo dee. All right, there it comes. Oh, that's dirty. Holy crap. The new one and the old one. That's pretty bad. All right. That's nasty. Who would have thought filters got so dirty? Stupid. Stupid. All right. All right, now your filter comes with this O-ring here. Ah. So we can take the old one out and put the new one on. New filter. Okay. I'll make sure that there's plenty of diesel on the O-ring to go in. Kind of greases it up. Get your 28 out. And let's tighten it up. Double check my bleeder. Ah, you're good to go. And that's it. One down, one to go before it rains. I hope. All right, let's go to the front. So as you go in your truck compartment, it's on the driver's side of the block. And it's that dude right there. So I'll get an extension with a swivel and we'll remove it. At least this one is right side up. It's not upside down, so it shouldn't leak that much. I'm gonna go ahead and put the bucket down there and hope for the best. Well, that's not supposed to do that. Yeah, it's gonna be a mess. Well, the bucket did not catch a darn thing. What I should have done yeah, okay. Let's bleed this thing. So don't be like me and just open it. It was a mess. There's a bleeder down here that you open up and it'll drain it. I hope. And there it goes. Alright, that made it a lot easier, huh? The old one off, and we'll put the new one on, hopefully. Doody. Oh, this one's not that bad. Probably another 20,000 miles left on that one. Shut that bleeder off. That bleeder valve, I'll show you guys after I get this in. The bleeder valve, it only turns about a quarter way and it's fully open. Alright, that one's down. Okay, get a wrench back out. I might be able to do that without that. Let me put the mouse on. Nope. I need 2 more inches. That's what she said. Ah. Okay. That yellow one with the Phillips slot in the top, that is the bleeder valve. That you loosen that a quarter turn and it'll drain it. So learn from my mistakes. I remember doing it last time, same thing too. All right, that's it. Let's prime it up and we'll have clean gas, clean diesel. So this is why you want to get a bucket down there. A lot comes out. And I did good there. Back, the front, I screwed the pooch. I made a mess. Okay, I want to ask you guys your advice. What do you think? I have raceline rims that are dark dark bronze, and I want to do some accents on my truck with the dark bronze. I want to Cerakote them, and this is what I have. This is really close. Matter of fact, that's it. Anyways, so what I was thinking, I'm doing the chrome in my grill. I want to get rid of this and do that in Cerakote. I didn't want to black it out. Everybody blacks them out. So let me know what you guys think. Should I or shouldn't I? Thanks. That's it. We're out. Bye.